Okay, so I'm coming out here again. Oh my gosh, my screen's got lines on it? Well, it did have lines. I don't know if it's still got lines or not. Okay, so I'm looking at roughly 9C out, 9.5 C out here. So obviously that's 9.5 C and that's 9.5. Oh, it's a little warm. Well, something's warm. Oh, that's just the sun. That's just the sun beating on it over there. Okay, so we're just going to start it off fresh. I'm just going to take notes. So I got it on stove, turn it on 1. Yeah, feels solid on 1. So that should be the big element, both coils. And that's roughly what it looks like. Big element, both coils. So that is correct. Alright, we'll go to 2. I don't know what, can't remember what 2 was. It looks to me like big element on medium and small element yeah, that's what it looks like to me. It looks like 1 coil on big element and small coil. Looks like half power to me. That doesn't look... That element doesn't look fully red. So that's what I'll put down. Oh, this is going to be fun. I'm right-handed. I'll just put big element half small element. I'd say half power. Pretty hard to do. Alright, so now we'll go to 3. What is 3 doing? 3 looks like no power on the big element. It's showing heat, but looking at the element, it looks like this is on almost full. So I'll say big element off. Big element off. Small element full power. That's what it looks like to me. So go to 4. Now we have small element off, and I don't know what's going on. That looks like it's off. I don't know if they're both off or what. I thought 4 did something. I guess I'll say big element, low, small element, jeez, low. Because they seem to be on, but on very low power. That's what it seems like to me. So we'll go on 5. And what's going on with 5? Did I blow a breaker or something? Because they're not really doing anything. I'll go back to big element full. See if anything happens here. Well, big element full's working now. Okay, let's just turn it off. And I'll have to cool it down and see what 5 does again.